Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 6661 John FK page again. I noticed out here at Bellmore they test the air raid sirens. See those white cone-shaped things, or bowl-shaped, or saucer-shaped things that are on top of the firehouse roof. They test those at least once a month, or if not once a week. I don't see FDNY testing theirs out in New York City. I don't know why, but they need to start testing those things in New York City. They're called tornado / air raid sirens, or emergency sirens, air raid sirens. They said FDNY don't test theirs. I wonder why. Well, that's kind of screwed up. You start testing them. FDNY, start testing your shit. Okay?